Bro, I was living foul. Told this girl I was focusing on myself. Meanwhile, I'm playing 2K in a hoodie that smelled like two fat bitches in a canoe boat. I ain't gonna lie, I used to lie a lot. I told folks I'm on the way while still brushing my teeth. Told my homie his mixtape was hard when it sounded like he recorded it in a cereal box. I lied so much I started believing my own delusions, and somehow my life still sucked. Then I saw this one post that hit like a gym plate to the chest. What if one habit, honesty, could change everything? That line had me questioning everything. Like, damn, what if I just stopped lying and actually got real with myself? When I saw that Reddit post, dude said, I stopped lying about everything, even the little stuff, and I felt free. So boom, I tried it. Told my dog, bro, your music garbage as hell. Told my boss, yeah, I wasn't late because of traffic. I overslept. Told my barber, yeah, you pushed my hairline back like 3 business days. Guess what? Half my social circle vanished. But my mental peace, through the roof. And just when I thought Reddit was done dropping gems, another dude said, weightlifting and honesty changed my life. I was like, all right, now you talking my language. So boom, I pull up to the gym, tried to bench press the bar, just the bar. I almost tore my whole soul in half, but I kept showing up because the bar don't lie. It don't care about your excuses, your bad day, or your feelings. You either lift it or it humbles you in front of everyone. And that's what I needed. Something that didn't let me lie to myself. Not like social media where you can fake progress. In the gym, if you don't put in the work, you get exposed real quick. Honesty gave me clarity. Lifting gave me confidence. Now I don't lie to people. I don't lie to myself. And I don't lie in the gym floor gasping for air. Life got real simple. Be real, touch some weights, say what you mean what you say, and never say I'm on the way if you're still brushing your teeth. So yeah, you could keep lying, keep dodging, faking, flexing for people who don't even check on you. You could keep it 100 with yourself and lift something heavy on purpose. Cause here's the truth, bro. The gym don't lie, the truth don't lie, and deep down, neither do you. You just scared to look in the mirror and say, yeah, I've been bullshitting. But I promise you, the second you stop capping, stop hiding, and start showing up, that's when life starts lifting you. Keep it P and pick up the weight.